Some horse racing news now, as Gary Sabrati's exciting classic campaigner Wow Wow will be getting his first real test against Grady Company when he faces 6 contenders, including Triple Crown winner Supreme Soul and stablemate Tuna Ciliata in the Bonnie Blue Flag Trophy over 1,820 meters on Saturday's Oaks Day at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington has the story.
The mighty 3-year-old Wow Wow, who is the anti-post favorite to win this season's Triple Crown, will be taking on the Anthony Babanionis trained trio, including the informed Tuna Ciliata, who beat some of the island's best sprinters, going 6.5 furlongs with 130 pounds on July 11. 2019 Triple Crown winner Supreme Soul seems to be returning to form after upstaging the likes of the Americans, Race Car and Summer Sun over Saturday's trip on July 25. Also in the lineup is Princess Ava, who impressively beat Overnight Company, posting 1 minute 38 and 1 for a mile on July 12. With those horses in such excellent form, racing fans should expect a cracking contest. However, trainer Gary Sabrati is upset with how the weight allotment has been assigned. Wow Wow will carry 117 pounds.
I think it's a little unfair that he came into this race against a Triple Crown winner and sitting level as a 3-year-old against 4-year-olds. So there's something need to be adjusted there.
Despite not being pleased with the weight allotted to Wow Wow, Sabrati says the race will be used to give the talented 3-year-old a prep run for the second leg of the Triple Crown series to be run on September 26.
We don't have to win this race, but this is a race that we'll use for the St. Ledger. It's a prep race for him, fall into place at the right place, going 2-turn. He needs that experience. So let's see how he handles the race.
Meanwhile, champion trainer Anthony Babanionis says his 3 runners are in great form to help him gain another hold on the Bonnie Blue Flag Trophy.
Supreme Soul has a new ride on in his back in Dane Nelson, replacing Shane. He worked well for him in his last work, so we anticipate that he'll give his good effort. Tuna Ciliata, you know, is a horse that can be ridden anywhere. He can be ridden from in front, he can stalk, he can come from off the pace, so that makes him a dangerous horse. And Princess Ava, being light and ridden by Dick Cardenas, who is very hot right now, you know, she comes from out of it, so it should be very interesting. The 3 horses have 3 different running styles, so it should be interesting.
Despite being confident about winning the $1.5 million purse money, Nunes says he's not taking anything away from the outstanding charge, Wow Wow.
But Wow Wow is something special, and it's left to be seen how they can perform against him.
The Bonnie Blue Flag Trophy is slated to be run at 3:35 p.m. on Saturday. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.